Good afternoon, Victor. What's happening, brother? Victor Lopez, Rambone, welcome in. Good afternoon. What's happening, everybody? Hello over here on the purple. Hello on the YouTube. Hello on the TikTok. Welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. 150 to 200. El Gilly, Geraldo, welcome in. Good afternoon. Brian, Ray, good afternoon. Can you hear me? No. Why I did that. I just unplugged my mic thinking it was in the wrong computer. Hey, Ray, what's happening? How'd you do today? Requested my first payout today. Good job, brother. How many accounts? It's been a rough day for me today. I got chopped up pretty well. Made back almost all my losses, but I am in the red actually today, right now. Should have just left well enough alone when I was up 80 bucks across all 4 accounts, right? That's where that goal sometimes messes with your mind. You know, you set it for a certain amount and you want to reach it, but then everything turns around. But we're still okay. We only lost 150, 200, 200, and 170. So not bad. It's a red day, but it's not bad. We're still positive on all 4 accounts. So you got to take the wins, you got to take the losses. Sometimes it hurts, but you know, this one doesn't really hurt. It's just trading, man. Today was a rough day, very choppy and wicky. A lot of consolidation, which means it's getting chopped up, going sideways instead of up or down, which is very hard to trade. It's very hard to trade when it does that type of stuff, so. Welcome in over on YouTube. Hello over on the Purple app. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I am your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. I'm up 60 and I'm done because it was choppy. There you go. Like I said, I should have stopped at 80, honestly. I should have stopped when I was positive 80. I wouldn't have busted any rules. I mean, not busted, broke some of the rules that Apex has. But right now, I don't care because I'm not close to a payout. So, yeah. It's going to be a while before I can request a payout. So, if I go over the consistency rule or DCA too much, or go beyond the threshold of the withdrawal that they want you to do, I don't care as long as I don't bust the account right now. And I was halfway to busting it. I'll be honest. But I worked my way back to only being down 150, 200, 200, and 170. So not bad. Thank you guys for tuning in. Keep tapping the screen. Let's get some people in here if you know what I mean. Just a choppy mess of a day. Traviso, welcome in. Mikey, Lavelle, Parwinder, Hario, welcome in. Good afternoon. I, Langston, Alley Sky Cruise, maybe. Nate, the fishing realtor, welcome in. Good afternoon. How are you? I hope everybody's doing fantastic today on this hump day. And it has been a hump day, which means up and down, but sideways, all in the wrong direction. Can't really pick a direction today on NQ. It's just been choppy mess ever since the open. Yucky mess. Looked like it was going to run up. It did run up. And then it shot right back down. And then it ran up. And then sideways. And then kind of went up. And now it's kind of curling. It's just nasty. It's just been a nasty day. I got chopped up myself. I'm down a little bit. 150 on 2 accounts basically. And 200 on 2 accounts. So not a good day, but not a too terrible day, and that's why I sized down to the micros, even though I was in it deep for a minute there. I've taken what I've learned and was able to trade from being down 900 all the way back to only being down 200 on 2 of the accounts. So it was an icky day. Not a good day. Choppy. Big wicks, big wicks on these candlesticks is what I'm trying to say. If you look at some of this stuff from earlier, let me slide this over. You could see like these wicks from earlier today. Look, you don't see hardly any bodies. This is from the open right here at 9:30. It shot way up here and then way down and then way up, and look at the wicks on these candlesticks. I mean, it's just up down, choppy mess, man. That's how you bust accounts right there in that type of market. Not good. Not a good type of market to be trading unless you're careful and you can pick the top and sell and pick the bottom and buy. I mean, it's been bad, but actually the premium alerts were 3 out of 4, believe it or not. One of them I didn't actually get filled, but it came exactly to the price that I said it was going to. I just didn't get filled on it. It would have ran 50 points. 54 points to be exact. So that sucks that I didn't get in that one, because I would have been green on the day if I would have got into that trade. But sometimes you just don't get filled. Sometimes your orders just don't get filled. And on that one, I really needed it to get filled, because that would have helped out. But anyway, I'm not going to cry and complain about it. It's only $150 to 100 or 200. So, not bad. We're still green on all 4 of them for the day. Z, welcome in. Good afternoon. If you don't follow me, please do on the Purple app. Also follow Jen, follow Ben, follow Lauren, the other BoldBot members on TikTok. Make sure you give them a follow. They do go live for you Monday through Friday. We go live like 5 times a day, guys, on TikTok. I'm on YouTube, the main BoldBot page as well. Hopefully it's streaming without buffering today. I'm also on the Purple app, and I'm right here on TikTok. If you have any questions, email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. Also, if you want to just sign up for the algorithms or the alerts, go ahead and email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. What's their tag? On the Purple app, my name is just Swag Show Kyle. And on YouTube, it's just BoldBot. I'm on the main BoldBot YouTube page. So, up, down, sideways motion, hump day. Now it's producing a big old kind of hump. On a 15-minute chart, could come down to around 21,337-ish. 338 maybe. In that area, I don't know. Where's what's his name that calls it out? Good afternoon. Thank you for being here. Welcome in. Ricardo, hello. BMF, welcome in. How'd everybody do today? Ray said he ended up green. I did not end up green right now. I don't know if I'm going to take another trade or not, honestly. Take Profits, welcome in. Victor Lopez, hello. Peepo, I don't know how to say that. Jack, GG, welcome in. Good afternoon. It's just been right back in the same nasty area. Ugh. Choppy mess. I don't like it. Can't even give an alert out. It's so nasty. I'm sim trading the rest of the day. There you go. That's what you got to do. Practice away. Practice away in the sim. It'll make for near perfection. At least you'll get better. Trader LHC, welcome in. Good afternoon. Adrian, user, welcome in. Good afternoon. There's no algorithms except Vizzy, which I don't have a chart to show you for that. But yeah. Sam, what's up? Welcome in. Good afternoon. How'd you do today? I didn't even look on the results. Oh, what the heck was that? Click on the wrong tab. No, Kenny, nobody got your Tesla humor. I don't get it. I don't get it. What? I don't know. I gave up trying to track that. I think it only went 10 points and then it came back down. So, just a nasty day, guys. I don't even like alerting in this type of nasty, choppy market. It's just icky. Icky and wicky. You know what I mean? Kanicki. Anybody get that reference? Wasn't that the guy's name off of Grease? Kanicki. Something like that. I don't know. Where's Santa? Let's watch him. See if he wins. Santa. There he is. He's in a short. We'll see if Santa takes a win here. Santa in a short. We'll see if he wins. Keep tapping that screen, guys. Help me help you help others. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out. Why is it acting like that? All right. Got nothing worth looking at trading right now besides Santa. We'll see if this level here can hold. If I want to attempt to go against Santa. That's there, that's there. That's there, so it could be a good place, I guess. Although it's got a lot 50-50. I don't know. I don't know. I don't like it. I'm not going to do it. If I don't feel comfortable with it, I'm not going to alert it. So, hey, it's Vinny. How you doing, brother? Welcome in. Good afternoon. Dope playlist. Thank you. It's just off YouTube. It's I don't remember the name of it, but it's on YouTube. Actually, let me just tell you. Let me look. It's called that Art of Minimal Techno Trip. Art ART of Minimal Techno is, and then it's the picture of the guy with the, the gray beard or whatever. But Raul, welcome in. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I am your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Santa, NQ Santa, is in the short green over 220. It's locked in $75 worth of profit. Write me out. We'll see if it can go on a big run here on this short. It is running into some key resistance or support level here at 21,338, 337, somewhere around there, so be careful. And that's why it got tagged out of this short here, as it's pulling back up from that support bounce here at, well, where did it bounce at? 335? What did I say? 337, 38? So, yeah, I was close. Got to give me credit for something. 115 candles open on the 15-minute chart. We'll see if this is going to be all she wrote on the short, or if we're just going to continue to push back down into this choppy mess from earlier today, which I am not going to trade because I already learned my lesson earlier today that this is not the area to be messed with. It's a nasty, nasty area. And if you zoom out on your chart and you look at it on a smaller scale, well, a bigger, you know what I mean, right? I'm trying to show you that this whole area here, from here to here, has just been a choppy mess. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I mean, it's hump day. That's what it does, right? Yuck. Yuckiness. I don't like it. Premium alerts were 3 out of 4 though today. So, how can I get info on the alert service? Tried requesting by the young man Ben, but no reply. Vinny, he should email you back. Otherwise, just email the email that's on the screen and tell him you want the premium alerts for $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Let them know you saw it on the Swag Show and Ben's show. But yeah, just go ahead and email the main email, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. He might get something for it if you go through him. I don't want to take away from any compensation he might be receiving. I don't get anything, so I don't want you to email me at boldbotinfo@gmail.com unless you want to sign up for the standard algorithms, which are $250 for the first 2 weeks, then $1,000 a month after that. But for the alerts, you can either wait and see if he gets back to you today, or just email the main BoldBotLLC@gmail.com email. So 3 out of 4, I think, today on the alerts. I missed one. It came exactly to my call out price, but I just didn't get filled on it. I said to go long at 21,365, and it ran up 50 points, but I didn't get filled. So am I a little pissed off? Yeah, I am, because I would have been green on the day had that have gotten filled. So, Prob, what's happening? Did you get filled on that or no? Kev, welcome in. Good afternoon. Prob, did you get filled on that alert, or did you miss it by a couple of... No, it came right to it. Like on my chart, it came right to that 165. I think it was this one right here. Low, no, that wasn't it. It was this one. Yeah, right there. Low 165. You see that? The L, and then 21,365. I gave that alert to go long at 21,365. It came exactly to that price, but I didn't get filled. And it ran up 50 points. So I am pissed. about that. Voodis, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Keep tapping that screen, guys, if you know what I mean. Jelly bean until your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. The more people come in here, the more people can join the BoldBot family, the more people I can help out. That's all I want to do is make everybody rich. I'm rich. I'm not rich, but I'm not rich by any means. I'm just trying to survive. But, you know, day 3 on these PAs, and, you know, we took a loss. A little bit of a loss today, but maybe a little bit of a loss today, but that's okay. You know, we'll get it back. Maybe your magic alert one more. I don't know. Not right now. Not where the price is at. I'm not going to mess with it. I already got chopped up too many times. I don't think the market knows what it wants to do. It's right back in the middle of this consolidation zone from earlier at a key level in a messy area. So, no, I'm not alerting. I'm not going to let you guys risk your money on something that I wouldn't risk my money on. Let's put it that way. So, I want everybody to be rich. So, no. Canabot, welcome in. Welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. If you don't follow me on the Purple app, guys, I am over there on the Purple app, Swag Show Kyle. Otherwise, I'm on the main BoldBot YouTube page as well. So I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out wherever you're watching me from. Let's have some fun. Let's talk about whatever you want to talk about. I'm tired of talking about this nasty, choppy market today. Right back to the area of, middle of that area of consolidation from earlier in the day. I mean, did they finally peter out? Is this going to be the move, the great big move down that we want to fill the gaps? Maybe, but it's a long way away. You're talking about, you know, a couple, like 1,000 points or something. I don't know. I don't know. The heck if I know. This could just be pulling back close to 21,300 too, and then, you know, bounce off that. It is a big whole number coming up here. We'll see what it does around right then. Nope. Nothing to alert right now. It's just nasty, nasty, big wicks, big choppy mess. It's been on a nice move down, but it's not something I feel confident about stepping into a short right now. If you got short from like 21,385, you're golden, but look at that. There's 21,300 right there. I told you it could have bounced off of that. You could have taken a quick scalp for 3 or 4 or 5 points. Look at that. There's 4 points. Could have scalped it for 4 points real quick. It's trying to break through it to the downside, though, so be careful. I wouldn't be longing into this down movement. And here she goes. Down. Watch out. Down below. How far down is she going to go? You know that song, How Low? How low will you go? How low will you go? How low will you go? Anybody know that song? Maybe something about this 1 p.m. dinner that Jen mentioned. What? What 1 p.m. dinner? She's eating dinner at 1 p.m.? Yeah, that's definitely structure broke way back here at 21,333, honestly, but the wick of the previous low has been broken, correct? But yeah, you could have technically said that structure was broken actually way up here at 21,357. So I don't know. Anyway, you got to look at the bigger time frame. You got to look at the smaller. You got to just trade the way that your eye sees it. You know, everybody's different. Do you do the mentorship? I have done the mentorship, yes. I took Lauren's digital mentorship. That's where I learned to trade, but I don't teach people, no. I would have absolutely no time to teach anybody, and it wouldn't be fair to them. I give an hour a day to Lauren when I stream, and I do this for her because I love her and she's my friend and she's helped me out more than you can imagine. So I come on here and I promote her product because I want her business to grow, number one, and I want to help people out and make money, number two. And it just makes me feel good and it gives me something to do, number three. So that's why I'm here with you guys, and I want to share my story. I want to be successful as a trader. I want it to, you know, I'm starting from zero. Everybody and anybody who follows me or has followed me knows my story, where I'm at in my life right now. I'm on day 3 of these 50K PA accounts. I have 4 of them from Apex. Today was my first red day. I was up like 600 in all 4 of them going into today. And today I lost 150, 210, 219, and 172. So a little bit of a down day, but you know, we're gonna hold it together. We're not gonna have FOMO. We're not gonna revenge trade. We're not gonna try and get even. We're just gonna use all the skills that I've learned and try and come up with the next best opportunity to take a profitable trade. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Big Bang NQ is in a trade, though, for you guys to watch. This is the algorithm trading. This is not me. This is a premium algorithm. Big Bang NQ. It's green, $150 right there. So let's see what it can do. It is running into some major levels here that I have on my charts. Along with another key level that you get when you take the digital mentorship. So, yeah. Hey, you're welcome. No problem. Thank you for being here and tuning in to my silly self. Sometimes I sing even though Lauren tells me not to, because there's people on YouTube apparently that don't like my singing. And they actually commented on one of the videos, please no more singing, bring Lauren back. So, you know, whatever. You can't please everybody, right? But I appreciate anybody that's sticking around in this TikTok, Purple app, and YouTube today. And thank you for all the questions. I'm here to help you guys learn anything you want to learn if I can teach you. I'm 100% transparent, got nothing to hide. I'll tell you my wins, I'll tell you my losses. I don't care. Today has just not been a good day. For me, I don't like taking losses, but I don't mind taking a small loss now that my mentality has shifted, where I was down like 980. Yeah, it's close, but let's not explain what that is in the chat. Let's just keep that to the group. But that is one of the things you will learn about if you take the digital mentorship. So it did bounce off of that 21,280 one level, and it's shot way up 30 points now off of that. That's crazy. Like I said, even the algorithms are struggling on this. Look, it was in a short, came down below it, it was profitable, and then now it's ran all the way back up. So been a tough day all the way around. But the premium alerts were 3 out of 4 technically, so if anybody got those, congratulations. Starting the queso dip. What? That sounds delicious. I actually made chicken fajita burgers on the grill last night. I didn't follow a recipe, just improvise. I pulled some chicken breast in the food processor. Then I added a diced poblano pepper, some red onion, a bit of cumin, and a dash or two of oregano. I shaped the mixture into patties, and grilled them for the sauce. I made a cilantro, lime. Dan, I hate you. You're making me hungry. Making me hungry with all that food talk, Dan. Where are you? You're probably eating them right now. That's why you're not in the chat. That's all right. Still love you, brother. I was going to try and meet up with him today, but that ain't going to happen now. Got a kid that's home with me. He was sick last night, throwing up at his mom's. She had me come get him. One of the twins, so not a good day to go do anything but take care of him and try and not blow my accounts or revenge trade or have FOMO, right? That's the whole key. That's what the swag is. Got to stop when you're ahead, got to stop when you're behind. So unless I see the perfect setup or ideal opportunity arise, I am done trading for the day with a loss, but that's okay. We'll be back tomorrow to, start all over again. And hopefully we will win and make our daily goal, and, it'll be okay. It is the 130 candle, opened green on a 15-minute chart at 21,314. So we'll see what it develops into, if it's going to go up or if it's going to continue in this downward movement here. Kirk, right now you're watching the algorithm trade. This is one of the fully automated trading algorithms called Big Bang NQ. It's one of the premium algorithms, but it is struggling today with this getting chopped up. My manual alerts are 3 out of 4 today. We are profitable 3 out of 4 of the premium alerts that I give in the group. But the algorithm NQ new took a loss. NQ early took 2 losses. So I did not do well overall. I'm down 150 on 2 accounts basically, and 200 on 2 accounts. So all 4 of my accounts are a little bit red today, but that's okay. It's just been a choppy, messy day, honestly. Big wicks, big candlesticks, big wicks. So I do show my manual alerts and my manual trades when I am in them, though. I will show them. But right now, we're not in anything. We might be done for the day and just take the small loss and come back tomorrow, because this market action, price action, just sucks, in my opinion. Right back into this choppy mess at a key level. I mean, I can't trade this nonsense. I'm not that experienced to know how to trade this type of crap, honestly. It's just nasty. So Santa's in a trade. Let's see if we can pull him up real quick. Santa's in a long here, green, 190 bucks, 130 bucks. It's locked in $75 worth of profit here. We'll see if it can go on a big run back up. If it can go on a big run back up. All right, well, got stopped out. $75 profit on that trade by Santa there. I don't like shorting against an upward momentum market. And I don't like doing it where it's at, which is at the bottom of this nasty zone from earlier today. So I think I'm just going to stop. But DRH, Dr. Herbivore. Okay, now I see the name. Dr. Herbivore, welcome to the Swag and Nerds Mount-Up. Thank you for the follow. Market's pushing to reach all-time highs again soon. I believe S&P is basically back since tariff news. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, but if you look at today, it's just a nasty, nasty sideways action all the way across everything. At least ES and NQ. And there's that big gap down there for ES even, and the big gap down there at NQ. But that's way down there, so I don't know. Are they just going to push higher to what? What's the high from earlier today at 20 or 21,420? Is that what it got to earlier? High of 21,419 and a half. That's what I've got. But my charts don't go back that far unless I go to like the daily or the weekly, but second thoughts first. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Thank you guys for all the likes, the shares, the follows. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out. If you don't follow me on the Purple app, I am over on the Purple app, Swag Show Kyle, also on the BoldBot main YouTube page. Just search for BoldBot on YouTube. And of course, I'm right here on TikTok. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, go ahead and give me a follow, and then follow Jen, follow Ben, and follow Lauren. Those other three, they go live as well each and every day, Monday through Friday for you, to show you more futures market action using BoldBot. And if you have any questions, please just email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Big bang in a short here, and of course it's going right back up. Like I said, sometimes it's just choppy, and it's in a choppy area. Unfortunately, the algorithm doesn't know that it's a choppy area. It's just looking for whatever it's programmed to trade. So if it sees the particular pattern or structure or set of settings that it's looking for to take a trade, it's going to do that. It doesn't care what has happened before, which is where you got to kind of be careful and understand the market, and maybe turn it off for the day if you notice that that's what's happening. So I think I'm going to just eat the loss and come back tomorrow. I don't think I can trade again today. It's just, I wish I could. I wish I could, but I can't. So I won't. I'll just hang out with you folks. We can talk about whatever you want to talk about. Sports, food, whatever you want. I'm here for it. Music. Right back to that level that I have here around, what is this? 21,325. I have a level there that it's just bouncing. Can't get over it. Was having a hard time getting under it earlier. This must be a key level, right? So there's a free one for you. There's your freebie of the day. Can Spam, what up, brother? What did you miss? You missed a bunch of choppy nonsense today. I hope you didn't trade it today, honestly. Unless you just took one trade and you won and you were done, because your boy was over here getting chopped up like I was in a Ninja blender, you know? One of those food processors. I worked my way back to only being down a little bit on each account, but I think this might be a red day. Day 3 of these 50K PAs might end in the red, 150 on 2 of them and 200 on the other 2, so it's all right. We're going to swag it out. We're just going to accept the loss and move on to the next day or the next opportunity. But where this price is at and the way it's been chopping around in this area, I'm not messing with it. It's a nasty, nasty market right now. Not going to do it.
Not gonna do it. Wouldn't be prudent at this point in juncture. That's little Dana Carvey when he was imitating Ross Perot on the Saturday Night Live.
I was done early 1-for-1. Yeah, I was up $86 on all four, and I probably just should have left it alone at that. But then the algorithms kicked in and then took a loss, and then I manually traded, and I was losing, so I added into it, and I kept losing, and I added into it, and then finally it turned around, and I was back into profit, so I shut it off, and then another algorithm took a loss, and I was like, okay, I'm done. So day before Powell speaks, I'm not messing with it either. Oh, yeah, I forgot. That's why today's been so shoppy. Shoppy, because tomorrow is, what's his face called it? I was up 325, now down 50. Super Z, shut it off. Shut it off, brother. Take the small loss and shut it down. I'm shutting it down at 150, negative 150, negative 200 across my 4 accounts. So I can't trade this choppy nonsense. I forgot it was a big report or something going on tomorrow, so I should have known today was going to be a mess. Should have just shut it off when I was up $86 across all 4 accounts. But instead, you know, sometimes you have that $200 goal in mind and you want to get there, and it just doesn't work out in your favor. So, like watching grass grow today, yeah, it is not fun. Not fun. I wish I could have already turned it off and walked away, but it is what it is. I'm going to shut it off after the stream, that's for sure. Not going to get tempted into any trades. I don't care what happens this afternoon after I end my stream. If I miss it, I miss it. I'll get it back tomorrow. I just gotta have that discipline, you know. I don't like trading in the afternoon. Sometimes there is good movement, though. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes there is some big movements. Usually a choppy morning leads to a smooth afternoon. But it's already almost 1:45 and we haven't done anything as of yet. We did have that move kind of curl back down, but then it got stopped right here at this 21,300 level, and hasn't really broke below that. But I don't know. It is what it is. It'll be good at market open tomorrow, though. Powell speaks pre-market, so we should have good volume. Oh, okay. I gotcha. What's he speaking on? Is it minutes or something, or what's he doing? Because I thought there was some big report or something tomorrow, but I don't know. I'm trying to follow along with that stuff more and more now to see how it affects it, but oh, nasty zippers. I'm not sure, but PPI is also tomorrow. Oh, yeah. Well, one of them was yesterday, CPI, right? So PPI is tomorrow? Or is it the other way around? I don't remember. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, the hell with it. Nobody's listening anyway. All right, let's look at the calendar. That's why there's a calendar. Tomorrow. Initial jobless claims at 8:30. New York Empire State Manufacturing Index. Philadelphia Fed Measure PPI at 8:30. Yeah. Retail sales. Fed Chair Powell speaks at 8:40. Business inventories. Yeah, there's a lot tomorrow. A lot. It might be a nasty day tomorrow, too. I don't know. Trusty, what's up, man? How are you? I knew it was one. Yeah. Yeah, bunch of big reports tomorrow. Burberry, word up. Welcome in. Trusty, I hope you're doing good, man. Um, Kind of a choppy, nasty day for me. Ended the day negative 150 on two accounts and 200 on the other two accounts. But it's all right. That's just Monday's profit. Monday's profit pretty much gone, but we're still up. We're still green, almost 300 on all four accounts. So that's the other bad thing, I guess, about trading micros too. The more contracts you take, the more commission there is. But it's safer in the long run, and you don't bust your account. So had a break even day, only up 100. Hey, I'd rather be up 100 than down 200. So good for you. Stop. I should have stopped when I was green 86 on all four accounts, but I didn't. I'm mad. I'm mad at myself. Yeah. Yeah, and that's what you're seeing. I mean, that's definitely where you're seeing this choppy mess just up and down in the same areas. So 100%, 100% should have just been done. I didn't even think about it. But now I know for next time, right? Now I know for next time. I think Lauren's going to go live at 2, guys. If you don't follow her, make sure you please follow me, then follow her. She's going to be going live here in about 15 minutes when I jump off of here. So go follow her and watch her live. I don't know. She's cooking something. It might be Lauren's cooking show or something. Who knows? I don't know what she's talking about. Talking about cooking queso cheese or some crap. I don't know. But I want some now. Now I'm hungry. Give me a good full port here. I wish I could, man. Today has not been the day for any type of good alerts. Although I did give a good alert, I just didn't get filled. I said to go long right here at 21,365, and I didn't do it. So hold on one second.